everybody. I hate how I say hello in the beginning of every one of my videos. I'm just too hyper. Today in this video, we're going to be doing a very fun challenge. It's not really a challenge. It wasn't that big of a challenge, but it was very different. Today we're going to be using all Revlon products to get this look right here. This is a very wearable, like everyday wearable look. You can use this to do basically to go anywhere, to go to a store. It was very easy. It didn't take me that long. It probably took me a little bit longer because they were new products and I was trying them out. But honestly, if I were to do this every day, I feel like this would be done really quickly. And I just want you guys to know that this was so worth it. This was so worth it to see how Revlon works. So worth it. Don't forget to comment down below if you liked this look and if you think that you can go ahead and recreate this with me. Also, make sure to like this video so I know if you liked it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. You can also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified as soon as a video comes. Remember, we are always doing cool giveaways. Okay, so we're gonna start off by priming our face. We're gonna be using the Rose Glow primer, and basically this is like little hydrating drops. Apparently they have like little beads inside of them. They're supposed to melt into your skin. So I'm just gonna squeeze the cap. It doesn't grab much though. Am I doing it wrong? Okay, so you're supposed to massage it into your hand according to the instructions, like, but it didn't grab much. This isn't fun. So let me, oh, I feel the beads. But my only issue is that it doesn't seem to pick up much. Like nothing wants to come out. I guess it doesn't make sense because of the beads. Okay, I guess that's as much as it wants us to have. Okay. I'm gonna massage this into my face. Oh, some beads are out there. I don't like how this smells. The beads don't dissolve that easily either. But my face does look, I guess you can say, hydrated. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put concealer on my lid. I have always used this concealer. This is the Revlon Candid concealer. This is 001. And I am going to put this on my lids. I'm taking my sponge. I am going to dab it around. Okay, now that that is on, we're gonna go ahead and go on to our base. Sorry if the lighting changed. I don't know, I just felt like the lighting looked bad. But we're gonna go in with the color. This is Revlon Colorstay. Obviously this is Revlon Colorstay. This is a Revlon video. But it's just a brown color. I don't know why it's not wanting to focus as well. The color is in chocolate. So it's just like a cream eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go get ahead and put it on my brush. It brings a brush, but I just want to use my own. So now that it looks like we gave ourselves dark circles, we are going to go ahead and I'm going to use just a more fluffy brush to diffuse the color around my eyelids. Oh. Doesn't blend that well. I guess because it's cream. I take it back. It blends well. It was just basically me. I went a little too crazy on this side, so I feel like this side looks better. I definitely went up really high on this side. We'll be all right. I've done worse. Now that we have our eyeshadow on, I'm gonna go ahead with their Colorstay Sharp Liner. This is in the Black is Black. And I love eyeliners that are more felt tip. Am I blurry? Sorry if I was blurry. But yeah, this is the eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. I love this. This is amazing. This is the perfect type of eyeliner for me. I just love these types of like points, tips, whatever. Honestly, I think I may have just found my new favorite liner. This is super dark. Honestly, this is good. This is dark. This is amazing. I love this. So I like this. This comes with a pump, so I'm gonna pump it to the back of my hand. I'm gonna do 2 pumps, and we're gonna put this on my face. Looking very pinky. I don't know if this matches. And it's very thin. All right, let's try this one. It does not have a pump. You just squeeze it on. It has like a little film on top. So this one is in 240 medium beige. Oh, it's like a mousse. Like this is the first one. This is very liquidy, and this one's like a thick mousse. She thick. I think this is gonna be too cool tone. I always have to mix my foundations. Oh, whatever. We will continue. This one's definitely more full coverage though than the first one. The other one was like a BB cream. This is too white. I literally gotta got a mask on, my friends. And I for sure know this one's gonna be too white. So I'm gonna mix it with the foundation color I normally use. I've previously used these Candid ones. I've used them in color 400 and 250. So I mixed the 2 colors and they worked well. I actually like them. This one was in 270, so it was kind of between both, but it was just not yellow enough for me. So the color I'm going to be using is the 370, the Toast. The one I got was a 270, so we were definitely not in the right range. The lighting in the stores does not match the lightings in real life. So I have, look at all these 3 colors. This is my brain. This is why I can't go out by myself to buy my foundation. So I'm actually gonna be mixing the Revlon Colorstay one. I'm gonna be mixing it with this one because I think that's our best option. What if I mix all 3? What kind of color would that be? So see, this one's working. We got our match. I'm gonna be mixing in more of that color, or this color. It's just, if it's gonna pump, like dropping some poop onto my hand from how thick it is. I feel like the top part of my face is so dark and so warm tone, and the rest of my face is just white. The reason why I'm going over my concealer is because although I love a bright concealer, I feel like it's just too white. Even though I've used this concealer so many times in the past. We make the ugliest faces when we do our makeup. This is good enough. This is as good as she's gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and take their pressed powder. This is in the color light medium. Let's pray this is my color. This is a pressed powder. I'm gonna use their, oh, but it's so cute. Like, it's not cute, it's just, I don't know. I just don't want to use it. It's so clean. I'm gonna use a brush. So I'm gonna use this big brush right here. Is this my color, my friends? Oh, she is matte. I honestly don't mind that it's so matte. I have very oily skin, so homegirl don't mind not to be sliding around. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. Which blush are we going for today? Oh, I like this one. I like this one. This one goes with the color. This was actually a new shade according to them. It's very berry. And it's like very rosy. So we are taking this brush right here and dabbing into this. This is actually tap off the excess. There's a meme going around saying tap off the excess, and every time I tap off the excess, it's stuck in my brain. Wow, she is pigmented. Oh, she's very pigmented. Homegirl might have screwed up. Why'd I do this so much? This is very pigmented. Like, it's not a bad thing, it's just gotta be careful. I got some rosy freaking cheeks right now. Make sure everything is well blended and I don't look like it. Ooh, we're looking very healthy. We like that. So now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. This is Skin Light's highlighter. This is in the color Daybreak. Why is my face so itchy? Look how pretty. Look at those. That is so beautiful. Why am I talking like that? Taking this little tiny brush right here. I'm gonna feel this chocolate. Right, man. Honestly, it's not the brightest highlighter I've seen, but it is definitely more like of a I'm glowing from within kind of highlight. It's very kind of, it's more of an ashy tone. Okay, so we're gonna put this under our, oh wait, I haven't done my eyebrows. Why didn't you guys tell me? Okay. So how we're gonna do our eyebrows is with this pencil right here. This is a Brow Creator in soft brown. Apparently this is the new product that they have. You're gonna notice that we moved around. I always do this. I always have to move because honestly, like, this is hard recording by yourself and doing everything by yourself because you can't see what's going on. But I like this, the way this looks now. Now start from down here. Look at this spoolie. Why is this eyebrow so thick? They say eyebrows are sisters, not twins. My eyebrows don't even want to be friends. Now we're going back in with the highlighter, and I'm gonna use a small brush, and I'm gonna get under my brows. Oh, we didn't do our inner corner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on mascara. This is the Revlon Volumazing Mascara in Black is Black. This is also the waterproof version. When I got this, there's like little droplets on it, so I was just like, is this like damaged? And it was also raining, so I was just like, did somebody take this out, bring this back, whatever. But then I was realizing, no, it's how it's made. So it looks like it has little drops of water on it, and it's just textured. It's just like little bumps on it. I thought it was really cool. So let's apply this. Oh, it's a big brush. One thing I will say is that the bottom lashes are really hard to do because it is so thick. So that's the only thing. The top lashes, they feel good and like full of mascara. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna line the top part of our eyes. This is the eyeliner in black. Now we're gonna line our lips. This is the Revlon longwear lip liner. This is in the color chocolate. I never ever line my lips ever. Feeling really 90s vibes right now. We're gonna go in with their lipstick. I normally use like liquid lipstick. This is very weird for me. So this is If I Want To. The name is If I Want To, by the way. How do you open this crap? Well, look how cute this color is. Honestly, this lip combination is reminding me of I don't know, it feels like I'm looking at my mom in the 90s. I'm just cleaning everything up. Ooh, I like this. Okay, she good. So this is the final look. I honestly think that this is very easy for anybody who wants to just do their makeup every day. This can be done when you're going to work, if you have an interview. This is just very, very simple makeup and it's very affordable. This was all using all Revlon products, so you can find this at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart. So I hope you guys like this. It was very out of my comfort zone. I didn't realize that using new products would kind of like kick me out of my just comfort zone. It's just like, I don't know, but I love this look. I feel like it's still a very fall look because we have a whole bunch of browns going on, and honestly their products are absolutely amazing. For their price, the payoff of all their products is totally worth it. So I hope you guys are able to go ahead and get you some Revlon products and try this look out. And I'm pretty sure many of you probably already have some Revlon products in your makeup collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, you can always leave a prayer request down below. I am happy to pray for you guys. Remember to like, to comment on this video, and to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss our next video, which, letting you know, is a very exciting video. Bye guys!